GD is very important round in any selection process, be it for higher studies, campus recruitment, or for any graduate, postgraduate program. GD after the written test or before the interview, whatever be the pattern, the purpose is the same. It is used as a tool to judge whether the candidate has certain personality traits or skills that the company or the institution requires in their fellows. A group of candidates is given a topic, given a few minutes to think about, and then asked to discuss it among themselves for 15 to 20 minutes or longer. Certain parameters on which you are judged during GD are effective communication skills are important in group discussion. The student must be able to put his view loud and clear. However, loud doesn't mean shouting. Loud means one should be heard by all. You must talk relevant because the judges check the knowledge of the students on the given topic. The student must speak what makes sense. In his mind, the student can prepare a small script which should be pertinent enough to be highlighted and discussed. This is one of the parameters where several candidates fail. Pay full attention what the other person is trying to say. It is important to listen to others so that you can put your valid points at front. Stay positive and show your positive personality when putting your view forth. Be considerate. Do not let others have an impression about you being nasty or overconfident. If you have a valid point, but do not put it across confidently, you might fail to earn pat on the back. You speak with confidence, you will be noticed, and people will be interested in listening to what you have to say. Speak pleasingly and courteously to the other participants. Keep in mind, it's a group discussion, not an argument. Don't bring in irrelevant information. Try to stick to the GD topic. Be aware of your body language when you are speaking. Agree with and acknowledge what you find interesting. Don't lose your temper or shout. Take over the discussion. Confident speakers should let quieter students a chance to contribute. Don't interrupt. Wait for the speaker to finish what they are saying before you speak. I hope these detailed GD tips would be helpful for you to crack any GD interview. Get ready confidently and success will be yours. We wish you all the best. Do comment me for any queries. Thanks for watching.